my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Hi. Oh gosh, I am so happy to be here right now. It is the end of the day. Hi, welcome. Oh my gosh, I'm here. I'm present. I can sit and relax a minute. Oh my gosh, I could not wait to get here. I just have to tell you all. I had a very long day at work and it just drained me out. All I kept thinking was, I just want to be here and do some soft soul breathing tonight. I just needed this. I feel like I needed my tea. I feel like I needed to just be present. I needed quietness. I couldn't take the chaoticness at work. Some days it just gets too much between the phones and customers, and then you got contractors. I just was like, I had enough. I was just like done. I just can't wait to be doing this full time. So I am here though. I showered. I'm in my cozy, comfy robe, and we have my tea. So let's just say cheers. And today I'm doing a lemon balm. I should have something a little more soothing, but I figured we'll do this one. First sip is always the best. It goes down nice and warm. So I was at work and I couldn't wait for the day to be over, to be honest. I just couldn't wait to come here and sit in some silence. It's great. I mean, I'm very fortunate. I get to come home and unwind a little bit. I shower every time I come home from work because I work in an area where it's just lots of dust and dirt and stone, and so it's crazy. So I just showered. I feel fresh, and my husband is so great because he knows that this is my time and this is what I do, and he is so supportive. So I'm very lucky. And I just wanted to talk about what did I want to talk about today? I don't know. I just feel like it's already toward the end of the week, and I'm looking forward to the weekend, even though I work on Saturdays. I think you all know that. We're looking also, we're going to do a live show. I could be doing a live show on the road. I have no idea because I think we have to run an errand. So I'll take you with me. So that should be fun. So looking forward to that. I just wanted to welcome everybody who's joining my channel now. Thank you. I am so happy you're here. I wish we could be outside, but we cannot because the weather is still cold. It was probably 50 degrees again, and it's April 30th. I mean, come on. We need that warm weather. But yeah, you know how I love being outside. I just feel like I get more positive energy and the flow just comes through, and I feel that sun beating, especially vitamin D. Everybody should get vitamin D. So I was watching a podcast and they were saying how you're to work out your brain, and the best thing to do to help with Alzheimer's and any type of dementia, they say to walk and to have some type of physical activity, 30 minutes a day of just building up a sweat. And with yoga, yes, you can build up a sweat, especially when you're pushing yourself really hard. And there are my classes where I do that, but this is soft, so we're not gonna really strain ourselves. But they say that the brain should be fluffy. So you want it to expand and not shrink. And so we're going to start walking too and get that into my routine. But today, I just thought I'd talk about that a little bit because I thought it was very interesting. I will put the link down below on where we found that. It was on one of the channels. And everything that I use is linked in my bio. I had someone ask me about my little remote control here. So this little remote control goes to my camera. Well, to my little tripod. Obviously it goes like that. It's great. It turns. So I have a little easy access with that. So that little doodad is linked. I love it. And Mother's Day is coming. So that's another great thing. I have a Mother's Day list over there. So go get all your stuff. Hey, I noticed something on my page. It was so funny. So like, I guess if you're looking at it on TV, down over here, there's like a little area. I saw a little super thanks. I was like, oh my God, how cute is that? I'm like, I'm monetized. I have a little super thanks. So that's fun. Anybody want to hit that? Thank you. I have Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, all my members, thank you. And we're going to get this show on the road. God, it feels so good. I just love my tea. Wait, I need another sip. I also feel like I was a little dehydrated today. I didn't drink enough water, and that's so unlike me. I started getting like a little bit, I'm getting like a little headache in the temporal part. So I don't know if it's scaring me or whatnot, but every now and then I'll feel like a pulse, and I'm like, ooh, never had that. So it's weird. I don't know if it's dehydration or whatnot, but so we're gonna take this off so we can do a little workout, a little stretching, right? Okay. And let's gua sha. I'm just gonna rub this out a little bit. Oh yes, everybody grab it. I know you all ordered one, right? So do it on your neck, back of your the base of your neck, just like that. Oh yeah, see that? It gets right into the nooks and crannies. Oh my God, did you guys see my last video with the turkeys? Oh my God, she's so loud. She wants to meet, so I guess the male guy was not around, but we get a lot of turkeys here. So, and we're gonna go down in a downward fashion, get all that lymphatic, and then we're gonna do our legs. And we're gonna push everything outwards toward the feet, okay? And this is all very good for you. And then we're gonna do underneath. I'm just gonna push it all out. And tonight I have on, tonight's outfit is my workout gear, which is my favorite shorts that'll link in my bio. They're great for working out. They have the cut here, easy to move in, and my shirt is from H&M. So, H&M, if you're out there, I wear a lot of your products. All right, so I brought my dumbbell. This dumbbell is 10 pounds. Now you guys can use a lighter weight if you wanted, and that's cool too. But I think I'd like to do we're gonna do a little forearm, and we could do this in the sitting position. So let me just get this up so you can see. And basically you're gonna go straight up like that. We're gonna do it 10 times. And I think I'll sit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Heavy, but good. And that really works out your back muscles your triceps, biceps, and tightens in all of this area. We're not gonna do a full set. I would do three reps of 10 if you could. So that was one thing. I also use my bands. We love the bands, guys and gals. So I'm gonna do a little squatting with them, okay? So let's, okay. We'll go up and we're gonna put them around our leg like this, right? And we're gonna stretch where it's just enough. I'm gonna move over here. Wait, this way. All right, and we're gonna stretch it so that it's nice and taut. And we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, again, and we're gonna squat, 2, and up. So that'll get you going too, get that heart rate really going. So bands are great. So I work out with a lot of bands. I do dumbbells, free weights, always have, and so on. So, okay. So I just wanted to show you a couple of new exercises that I love to do. And, okay, we are going to, let's do a little cat cow. All right. We're gonna bend up. Oh, we're gonna cat and cow. Oh yeah, great for the back. And make sure your head goes up. And breathe. Hold in your tummy muscles. Oh yeah. And sit. Oh yeah, see? All right. 1, 2, 3. Let's do some donkey kicks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And perfect. And we're gonna do the other side. All right. And do a little cat cat. And stretch it out. There we go. Oh, I am so grateful to be here right now. So, oh my gosh, I am so glad I made it. You know, the hardest thing is showing up, and sometimes you just have to push yourself, and that's exactly what I did. I pushed myself tonight to be here, and hopefully this weekend we'll have some beautiful weather and I can get outside and we can see Molly and do some more activities outside, and we'll do our live show. And what else? So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I think that's all I have today. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick, you know, follow up with some breathing, and let's just sit in silence for a minute. So thank you for being here with me, and I will see you tomorrow.